Hello students, welcome back to Veda EdTech YouTube channel. Today we will see English paper pattern SSC board, English medium. Here we have English paper pattern mentioned. English paper is of 100 marks in which we have 80 marks written paper and 20 marks internals. Here we have 6 sections overall to cover 80 marks paper. The first section is language study. Here we have 3 questions based on easy, medium, challenging. This language study is for 10 marks. The first question A1 is for 4 marks, A2 is for 4 marks and B is there is challenging question for 2 marks. Further we have section 2 that is based on your textbook. Here 2 textual passage would be asked, 10 for each marks. Here all the questions are fixed. We have here factual question, complex question, vocabulary, grammar and personal response. Now these textual passages are asked to test your reading skills, vocabulary and grammar. Section 3 is all about poems. There will be 2 questions, A and B. In A question, you would be having activity based questions like simple question, factual, or maybe question based on activities, or maybe the poetic devices. In question 3B, you need to write critical appreciation for 5 marks where the bullet pointers would be given to you. The detailed information would be covered in the part 2 video. Section 4 is all about non-textual passages. Question number 4 is divided into A and B. A is again will be asked in 5 different questions, same like section 2. Summary writing is purely written on the basis of non-textual passage given. The detailed information would be given in second video. Section 5 and 6 is all about writing skills. Here, writing skills will be asked for 25 marks. Section 5 has only one question, that is A1 and A2, where you have option between formal letter writing and informal letter writing. Question number 6 has 2 questions. Question number 1 is where you have 2 options out of which you need to attempt one. A1 and A2, you can see this is non-verbal to verbal. That means there would be a figure given to you and you need to write a paragraph on it. And A2 is paragraph given, you have to prepare according to the text given. That means there would be different figurative forms which you need to plan it out and write it down. Question number 6B, there we have 2 questions out of which you need to attempt speech writing and view counter view. You can see here in section 5 and 6, the marks are given 5 marks for each. So here we have covered entirely 15 marks. 5 marks for writing skills, that is formal and informal, 5 marks for verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal, and 5 marks for speech writing or maybe view counter view. Section 6 is, we generally call it creative writing. Here all your creativity, your creative skills are expressed where you have option in question number 7. In A1 and A2 you have expansion, the theme and the report writing. In question number 7, B1 and B2 you have develop a story and narrate an experience. These 2 questions are based on your creative skills. So here you have certain word limits which you need to follow. Now here we have covered the entire paper, English paper pattern from section 1 to section 2. We would be discussing in next video how to write answers to get full marks in English SSC